Hello, and welcome to the overview video of Flash. The main goal of the Flash project is to create a new way to revolutionize manufacturing with customizable, energy-efficient, laser-based systems for precise photon distribution, with applications in cutting, drilling, welding, texturing, and micromachining. Flash is a European project that brings together 16 industry leaders and academic and research organizations from 11 different European countries: Spain, Portugal, Ireland, United Kingdom, Germany, Belgium, Italy, France, Switzerland, Turkey, and Bulgaria. The project impact is poised to be profound, ushering in a new era of laser-based manufacturing marked by agility, speed, cost-effectiveness, material flexibility, and energy savings compared to existing technologies. Simulation and AI will be leveraged to enhance the outcomes and impact of the project. Ready to know more about our project? Join us and feel free to access our website. This project is funded by the European Union.